Hi everyone, welcome to Kavi's lecture. In this video, I am going to explain one more example under eliminating left recursion. Now look at this example, it is quite different. The left recursion is there in more than one production. In the previous example, we had seen two more grammars, and today I am going to take this example grammar, I am going to eliminate the left recursion. Now as we all know, by comparing the general production, we are going to eliminate the left recursion. Now I am going to apply the rule 1. Rule 1 is non-terminal A produces beta A dash. That is, you are comparing this production with this given grammar. By this rule 1, non-terminal A is the left hand side non-terminal. Right hand side we have to write beta. Your beta is the production which is having no left recursion. So your beta is your A. So write it as A dash. Simply we have applied our rule 1. Next the rule 2 is we have to introduce dash to the start symbol, that is A dash produces. Here we have to write alpha. Since we have left recursion in two productions, we have two alpha. One is BD, another one is A. So for both the alpha we are going to apply this rule. So first alpha is capital B, small d, then write A dash, and another alpha is your small a, then write it as A dash or epsilon. That's it. Even if it is having three productions is having left than reduction, the same way we have to apply alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, it goes on. You just don't confuse. Understand the rule, then apply as it is like a formula. Then similarly for the second production, here we have only one non-terminal is appearing in the right hand side, that is B produces BE is having the left recursion, and this is your beta. The same way we can apply this, that is capital B produces beta. What is our beta? Terminal B is our beta and B dash. Then rule 2, B dash produces alpha A dash. Here our alpha is E. Then write your B dash or epsilon. So simply we have applied the rule 1 and rule 2 and we found the answer. Okay. So capital B produces small b, B dash. Then B dash produces E, B dash or epsilon. This is the final grammar after eliminating the left recursion. It is not necessary that all the productions will have a left recursion. Even if any one production is having a left recursion, we need to eliminate. Then we have to write the final grammar. This is how we have to eliminate. Thank you for watching. We will come with a new problem in the next video. Thank you.